Ain't no other place I'd rather be. Any Leone.
Ain't no place I'd rather be to chill with my homies in the Villa Leone. Got my bottle by my side, sit back, drinking all night, yeah. Chillin'
Ain't no place like home. See, every day I'm fully attached to these streets. Them knocker throwing it up with twisted fingers, repping the West to see him out there we be. Posted like some lights on poles. It's lights out only when Hydro putting them lights on in your dome. See, I come from a field where them hoosters don't play, and this is how we do it every day and all day. Leone, forever home with my homemates. Chill with a KH45 until the sunshine hit the next day. Hey, so Warpaint, chillin' in Leone, man. My pocket done turned, but I'm living like a king, man. See, I know you feel me when I say
it's Leone. I'd rather be to chill with my homies in the Villa Leone. Got my bottle by my side, sit back, drinking all night, yeah. Chillin' in
It's the
Leone.
boys from Leone, giving it to you from the west, where we got heart and pride and seal to our chest. There's no other place on this rock, homie, to rather be, but in the village of Leone. A whole lot of cliques, but we still get along. We got each other's backs when the times go wrong, cause it's all love, respect, and pride, you see. Leone's finest, Spinny P and AG. Shout out to the brothers from Leone that had to go, like Juan Samuelo and my nigga Big Show. Forever in our hearts and our mind every day. Get a shout from the brothers of Leone.
No place I'd rather be to chill with my homies in the Villa Leone. Got my bottle by my side, sit back, drinking all night, yeah. Chillin' in Leone.
Chillin' in the Ville that we come to know. We sit back and relax and let this energy flood the village that we usually rock talkies and blue tickets. People tryna phase us, but you know we take it easy, so my pleasure. Take care of you. This brand new track, so tell those Zeus's over there, man, Leone is coming back.
Got nothing but love for that West Coast thuggin', fucking teasing.